Thanks for joining us on the Morning Blend. Frank Farmer joins us today. Many call him their resident roofing expert. He's from American Metal Roofs. Good to see you.
Good morning.
So we know AMR is an award-winning metal roofing company in that you even distribute metal. So what kind of options does that open up for your customers?
American Metal Roofs has a division of its company that not only consults with manufacturers and other metal roofing companies, but we supply other metal roofing companies. And because we buy directly from the manufacturer and we are the distributor, we also have the ability then to sell to the public.
Right.
And by selling to the public, they can get quality products and do the projects themselves.
That's
so
interesting.
It opens up avenues for them.
So when you sell to the public, I mean, can an average homeowner install a metal roof?
Yes and no.
Okay.
And we're very, very careful about that. First of all, a person has got to be able to feel comfortable on their own roof,
right,
to do a roof. Okay. If they have a normal home, a walkable roof, and it's not all cut up, yes, they can. They really can. If they have a cut up monster and it's 3 stories high and lots of valleys and steep pitches, we do not recommend that.
Right.
Leave it to a professional.
Yeah, absolutely. So what kind of support would you offer a DIY customers?
First, they start with a seminar, and in about 3 to 3.5 hours, we can take them through the basic components of how to install it. When they leave that seminar, if they were to purchase a roof, they then get tutorials that are 3 to 5 minutes in length. There's about 15 of them covering each different component in video in high quality that really simply helps them understand the system. Once they start installing, sometimes they're going to have some questions. They can pick up a phone, dial an 800 number. We'll dispatch their call right directly to one of our crew leaders so they can talk about the thingamajig that they don't know what.
Right.
Okay, and we can walk them through how to do that.
That's great customer service.
Yeah. If a person gets in trouble, or they have a complicated section, or they need a stone chimney done, they can actually get involved in a program that we have called a Golden Hammer program, and that is where we'll send out a craftsman, full day, truck, trailer, all equipment, and bail them out.
Wow, I like the sound of that. I often need someone to bail me out of things that I attempt and can't do. But it's great that you have that option available for people.
Yes.
So.
We find that is a growing segment of our business.
Yeah, absolutely.
We find that people want to do their job, especially on a cabin up north, something like that.
Right.
I'm glad to help them.
All right. Well, thank you so much for coming in today. That is just about all of our time on the Morning Blend. You can reach AmericanMetalRoofs.com online via their website, or you can give them a call, 844-METAL-ROOF, ROOF. That's all our time for now.